And yes, you just saw the final results. So, this mini twist style is one of my favorites now. And I did not blow my hair out. I normally, well, I ain't gonna say normally, but I have before blow dried my hair, maybe on like cool or something like that, just because I wanted it to be a little bit of a stretch. But for this particular time, I did not blow dry my hair out because it really doesn't matter what mini twist. It's a length retention type of hairstyle, so you're gonna get the longest length, period. So it doesn't matter if you blow dry it out or not. So I'm using the Mael coil custard. I'm using a neat braid. I had it turned to the back. So if you've seen any of my videos before, you know what it looks like. In fact, thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time, welcome back if you've been here before. But yeah, so the neat braid is something that I use often with any type of gel or something when I want a slicker look. Now, I will also say that I've never used a gel when doing my mini twist. It's always been the Mael product only. But I looked at another person's video and they have a gel base that just makes the parts look sleeker. So I was like, you know what? Let me bring my Neat brand into this and just, see how it looks. So I actually loved it. It did make the parts a lot neater. Now, one other thing that I noticed that I haven't done when I've done the mini twist is I will always color my hair. I will always dye my hair when I get ready to do anything, any type of style that's going to show the roots a little bit more. But I decided, you know what? I'm just going to let this be a summer thing where I don't color my hair as much. Just let my gray kind of come through a little bit. Just relax on that. And when I guess August hits, if I'm not tired of it by July, then when August hits, then I'll go back to coloring my roots before I do any style. But for now, I've kind of relaxed on coloring my styles. So the neat, the neat braid is definitely not as sleek because of the gray. I don't know. Anyway, so I'll just let that determine by the overall look here. So I did get my ends trimmed about 2 weeks ago. And that's the thing that I noticed in the difference in how it coils, how it just lays. It just is so much neater because my hair is healthier. It's got a healthy cut. And although it is short, it seems shorter in the back since the cut, because Miss Lisa, if you've seen my last video, Miss Lisa did trim an inch from my hair, so it's a little shorter. But I mean, it's healthier, and I love the fact that it's healthier, and I'm doing these mini twists. So, of course, it's just water. I put a little water on there to soften it once I put the Mael product, the Coy Custard, on there. And I've seen where other people, they will kind of just do a braid it down and then start twisting. But thankfully, I have not had to do that. Once I get a tight little grip, you'll see me section it off. And as I twist, it's just tight on the roots, period. And I did kind of find it a little bit difficult. I think I tried to do the braid for about 5 or 6 braids down or something like that and then start twisting. It was so much harder. So I was like, you know what, let me just stick to what I know. Since my grip is pretty tight and I don't have to worry about puffy roots from when I twist it, then let me just stick with what I know. So that's what I did. I just twist. It's a really tight grip at the very start of my twisting, and it's looser as I continue, and that's really what allows the length retention to be a thing, a real thing for mini twist for me. But I love the style. It's so neat. I think it took me about an hour to do, and I have more sections than normal. Um, it's just really one of those things where I can do really small sections and have plump looking twists at the same time. Only because my hair is healthy with the trim. So every 2 months, I will be getting my hair trimmed for sure. And for the summer, I want to see if I can rock these mini twists for the entire summer. I'm not. The summer for me will be 5 weeks before I go back to teaching high school seniors personal finance. But other than that, it's really one of those things where it's probably going to be 5 weeks until school starts back. But anyway, this is the style itself. I'm just going to allow you to see it without my voice and allow the finishing style to really be one that can inspire you for the summer as well. And I thank you for continuing to watch.